What is going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel, and I'm bringing you a review today, a very interesting one. If you use the link down below, you're gonna get the best up-to-date discounts. Let's get straight in. Thank you so much for supporting us. Here we go. Here we go, guys. It's shortstack.com. Now, I'm going to give you an overview of the website, but remember that link down below, like I spoke about, it's going to get you the most up-to-date deals. So you're creating online contests, hashtag giveaways, landing pages, websites, and emails. If that is you, this is what you need to get. Now, join thousands of Fortune 500 brands, advertising agencies, and small businesses all around the world that use this to build tailored marketing campaigns. All right, you can see coming across the bottom here, all the brands around the world that love this. So let's try this for free. On the right here, you can see spin the reels. Up top, we got solutions, features, resources, pricing, and contact sales. I'm going to do the pricing after we've done all the features. Let's click play now and see what happens. Here we go, and now I'm going to spin it. Spin it and see what happens. I want 3 pancakes. I want 3 bacons. 1, an apple, and bacon. Oh. I wanted 3 pancakes. Oh, well, you could try every single day. I'm going to try again tomorrow, right? Please do that because you're going to get something incredible. Now, when I click try it for free, it's going to ask me to actually sign up to the trial. All right, I'm going to do that now and fast forward so you can actually see what this is and what it gives you. Here we go, guys. Once you've done that, it's actually going to bring you up to a video. So let's have a quick look at what this actually is.
Welcome to Shortstack. Shortstack lets you create online marketing campaigns such as sweepstakes, contests, quizzes, landing pages, mini websites, and so much more. Create unlimited campaigns within your account. You can choose from dozens of templates. Each one is 100% customizable to fit your brand. Edit and arrange images and text. Add and customize forms. Integrate with third-party apps, and set up automated emails such as autoresponders or follow-ups. Done setting up your campaign? Make it live in just a few clicks, either as a standalone landing page or as content you embed within your existing website. Want to engage fans on social media? Run hashtag and comment to enter contests, collect UGC, and ask permission to use the content your fans post. If you get stuck anywhere along the way, our support team is standing by to help you out. Click the help button or send an email to the team at shortstacklab.com. Let's get started.
Awesome, guys. So if you watched that, if you're still with us, look how incredible this is. Now, all you got to do is start up on here and click create campaign. So if you are starting your own business or if you're just an influencer online, this is exactly what we need. All right, I'm going to pretend I'm doing a contest right now. All right, these are the most popular ones. Let's go with the dogs because I absolutely love dogs. All right, we're going to choose this as our template. Now, add the tags to it. You can add whatever tags you want. Dogs, influencer. All right, and create that campaign. It's going to take you through to the actual thing. Now, what you want to do is, because this website is just an overview, it's not going to be very detailed in, but start the tour, right? So it'll tell you exactly what to do. So we've got the widgets, right, to use for your building blocks, everything like that. This is what it looks like in here, okay? This is what it looks like. It's very, very cool, and you start your campaign. Now, if this is for you, let me know in the comments right now. This is incredible. I'm so in love with this. Super easy. It's just drag and drop. Super good. So, guys, now you know what it looks like when you're in there. Let's actually read a bit more into this, all right? It's incredible. So you're running your hashtag content, stuff like that we've already spoke about and said through the video, all right? One thing I wanted to show you is collecting UGC and increases time on the site. So this is what it looks like. What I was just doing there, the contest on the free trial, this is what it would look like once it's designed. I'm not going to sit here and design it. It will take forever. But enter your design, photo contest. So if you are running contests for your businesses, that's what it can look at. You can also go through different kind of discount websites, gaming ones, giveaways, everything like that, all right? Now let's get into the important stuff. Not only can you make all these things, but you can analyze your performance doing it. So people interact with your landing pages, your emails, your real-time analytics. They have it all there for you. Brands across the globe, so AWS, ISO, things like that are all involved. Get started today. If you don't just want to jump straight into the free trial, you can actually talk to the sales team. The customer service is fantastic, as you can see here. All right, using really good customer service. Quick overview of what features we got. As I said, online contests, hashtags, landing pages, mini websites. Read all the way down, all the way through your social, your forms, your content, your displays, entries, voting, page builders, datas, and pro features. One of the greatest pro features in there is the no short stack branding, right? Incredible. So guys, please let me know what you think. Get down below in the comments and let me know. If you need any more details, please just hit on the contact and ask them. All right, now let's get into the important bit. Let's get into the pricing. Now you can get extremely good pricing by hitting that link down below. Okay guys, we're looking at right now picking whatever package is for you. Now, if you're a business, it's gonna be $99 a month. Super, super easy, right? $99 a month. And if you wanna switch to the annual, you can save 20%. Just click that slider. I prefer paying annually so I don't have a monthly bill. Now, you're getting 10,000 entries, 50,000 views, and everything else that's involved. With the agency, all right, you're going a little bit more, $199 a month. That's going to be billed annually. Or if you want it monthly, just flick that back. And it's got everything in the business plus more, right? Brand is $499 a month. And again, you can click it to the annual just on all of them. But if you're an enterprise, if you're too big for these, if you need more, then all you got to do is click that contact sales button and you're going to get everything that you want. You get it tailor-made to you and they schedule a call right to what you need. All right, that's incredible. Let me know in the comments if you're getting involved. And there you have it. Shortstack is on fire. Now, please keep supporting this channel. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell if you want to be notified. Shortstack is just one of hundreds of things that we find that we need to promote to you. We only find the best things, and that link down below that I always talk about is going to get you the most up-to-date deal. Hit that link. Thank you so much. Let me know in the comments if you love Shortstack like I do, and I'll see you on the next video.